Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add transition in CapCut BC. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add transition in CapCut BC. As you can see here in my project, I have 3 videos. If I want to add transition, just click on transitions and here you have many kinds of transitions, some of them for pro subscribers but some of them also for free. For example, here you have mix, black fade, comic cut. You can just preview them. Okay, now for example, if I want to add this one, white flash, just click on it and then drag and drop between the first and the second video. And here you can also change the duration of the transition. If you go here to if you see here in the right side, the duration is half seconds. If you want to increase it, just here you can increase it, for example, for 2 seconds. Okay, and then you can select also different transition. For example, here pull out, just click on it and then drag and drop between second and third video. And here, okay, for example, I can change the duration to 1 second. Okay, now let's play the video and we see the transition. Yeah, this is the first transition. And here the second transition. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add transition in CapCut BC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.